Welcome to my channel. Usually in my channel I produce videos on abroad education for latest technologies, scholarships in different universities and job vacancies in different organizations. For the upcoming videos, subscribe my channel. Most of my videos are more informative, knowledgeable, and they are beneficial for your career. In the present video, I would like to talk about why should you study in Europe. Learning is no doubt the process of gaining knowledge and expertise. However, this is not limited to the four walls of the classroom or the confines your country. Studying abroad is an effective way to fulfill requirements for your university degree and travel the world while experiencing new cultures at the same time. If you are currently pursuing your career goals, having achieved little in your home country and wishing to sharpen your knowledge as well as augment experience further, then turning to foreign education makes these a reality. Having the opportunities to study abroad is like a threshold in your life, and it remains your responsibility to reap in maximum the benefits therein. Therefore, a suitable continent for your education should be chosen wisely. Otherwise, that one goosey decision will not only waste your money and effort, but also serve as a blow on your valuable time and opportunity. In the words of Benjamin P. Hardy, most people approach goals and personal improvement the hard way rather than changing their environment. They strive to overcome their current environment. If the opportunity is limited in your home country, do not hesitate to obtain the knowledge from a foreign country. However, it is important to choose a country with a specialized skills and competencies relevant to your field, whilst also taking into cognizance the university that offers the best practices for the field. Indeed, it is no longer news that we have thousands of higher institutions, precisely universities across the globe. Today, European universities are at the forefront, offering different degree levels. Your decision to study in Europe today will definitely be a very good investment for your career in the near future. You know why? Europe offers some of the finest universities in the world, bar none. Cross-border agreements have contributed to a strong international academic community. From research to practical application, studying in Europe will leave you with some of the most diverse, useful skills in your field. Not only will you be given the chance to stay longer, but also be offered job to earn from against all odds. This will enable you achieve some stability from the side of their economy during and after your study period. With Europe housing many of the best universities of the world, most world-class and state-of-the-art researches are generated through them, which provides a great deal of opportunity for students to learn and gain experiences. Fees at European government universities are relatively low compared to the countries such as US, Canada and Australia. Some European countries offer the university education whilst some others give alternate methods to empower students in their studies such as scholarships. Upon graduating from European institutions, international graduates are given the grace to find a job of their choice in the host country and obtain a work permit. This would eventually be a gateway for new graduates to drift into the labor market as well as getting the required exposure. One great point here to mention is that any degree or master's degree in Europe follows the same general study framework. Akin to this, the higher education system is aligned and maintains a high level of quality across all degrees. It is fair to say you can be sure of a lifetime experience. In terms of security, the discipline of the European people is relatively high and cannot be matched anywhere in the world. Therefore, everyone can do their works freely, regardless of their gender. Nevertheless, as a result of the advanced systems available in Europe, you need not worry about things like communication and healthcare. Communication via languages such as English, French, Dutch, Spanish, and many others is easily facilitated, while most European countries have a system of tightly regulated competing private health insurance companies with government subsidies available for people who cannot afford coverage. Although amongst the languages spoken in Europe, the English language stand out as the only recognized international language. So, universities in Europe conduct all their academic activities in English language so as to follow students from all other countries slot into study process without any difficulty. In addition to the aforementioned motives, there are several other interesting reasons why you should consider studying in Europe. The moment you opt to study in Europe, an unforgettable exploration awaits your approval. Within the European Union, you can travel easily, crossing borders, mingling with other international students, and traveling to some of the coolest places on the planet are all at your fingerprints. You can basically walk from one country to another depending on where you are headed to. For example, if you choose to study at the University of Strasbourg, you can easily walk to Germany's Kiel and back in less than an hour. Not a big fan of walking, you can hop on the tram, metro or bus for a very small price. In Europe, you will experience a continent with beautiful landscapes, lovely people and culture with influences from every of its countries. The continent has a strong tradition with regards to winter sports, classical music and great food. In the continent, stunning nature with all its recreational possibilities meets vibrant cities where history has left beautiful fingerprints in the form of religious centers, architecture, operas, restaurants and cafes. Service providers with world-renowned brand names have their expanded operations in Europe without an iota of doubt. Studying in Europe will earn you the opportunity to visit these institutions, gain understanding of its new technology and even relish from their products and services. Europe is considered as a home to some of the most amazing chefs in the world, and you are well served when it comes to food. Then there you can enjoy a wide variety of delicious foods served at affordable prices. That experience alone will definitely add flavor to your tired day. If you love art and culture along with education, Europe is bound to be your own city. You will get to see beauty of Paris adorned with the arts of famous artists, the cities of England adorned with beautiful river banks and parks. Many views like these will keep you drawn to Europe. For a hassle-free movement and healthy lifestyle, you can bike your way to classes and even for shopping. All you have to do is rent a low cost either by the hour or per year. Another essential thing is networking. As an international student, you will have the opportunity to meet people and build a support network. The built network will surely go a long way helping you develop as a professional and achieving your career goal. This will in turn help you reapply the advanced knowledge and expertise you have gained for the betterment of your home country. By analyzing the above facts, anyone can understand the importance of getting an education in Europe. It is a saving made today on behalf of a better future. So why not take advantage of the opportunities to study in Europe now and gloat in one of a kind experience the continent has to offer. I hope this video is interesting and it is very useful. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.